If you're like me and your hair turns into a wild mess after a shower, this video is for you. I've used both the Revlon blow dryer and a hair straightening comb before, so today I'll be comparing them side by side to see which one makes my hair look more manageable. It may not be perfect, but definitely better. Hello friends, my name is Lirisha. Welcome to my channel. So now let's get right into the video and tame this unruly hair. So this is how unmanageable and frizzy my hair looks after a shower. I'll be using the Revlon hair dryer on my left side. So I'm spraying some water to my hair to make it a bit wet, and this is the Revlon hair dryer. I'm also using the L'Oreal hair serum for some shine. The Revlon one step hair dryer has 3 settings, which is cool, low and high. I'll be using the high heat because the low heat doesn't work for my hair at all. So yes, that's how much noise the Revlon hair dryer makes. I'll mute it now. I use this hair dryer only to make my hair manageable. I'm not a pro at using this tool and I cannot get that salon type blow dried hair. I have watched a lot of videos on how to correctly use this tool, but it's definitely not as easy as it looks. So I'm just trying my best to get my hair under control. Also, the barrel of this blow dryer is very huge, so after some time my wrist starts hurting. The best part about this blow dryer is that it does not require a comb while drying your hair. And it also gives you that very nice shine after blow drying your hair. Another very good thing is you can use this brush very close to your scalp as well, and the brush doesn't get extremely hot like a flat iron. Okay, so now let's see how long this takes me to blow dry one side of my hair. So this took me exactly 4 minutes and 30 seconds to get one side of my hair done. Do you see that beautiful shine on my hair as compared to the hair that is not done yet? Okay, now let's see how the Clikon Hair Straightening Comb works. This one is much cheaper than the Revlon blow dryer, and this is my go-to hair tool because this is very much easier to use. So the max heating setting over here is 185 and I'll be setting it to that. So till then I'll spray some water in my hair and use the L'Oreal hair serum again. Have you used this hair serum? It smells so good and works like magic, right? So it's not even been a minute and I can already see those awkward waves and curls on the side where I've used the Revlon hair dryer. Anyway, let's start with the Clikon Hair Straightening Comb. I'm so used to using this hair straightening comb that I actually do not make sections when I straighten my hair with this. I just take huge sections of my hair and just run through the comb there, and I do it multiple times. So this hair tool doesn't make any noise. The only issue is that I get the smell of burnt hair whenever I use this on my hair. So as compared to the Revlon blow dryer, this is definitely more damaging to my hair. So now let's see how long it takes me to straighten this side of my hair. So this side took me just a little less than 4.5 minutes. So there is no huge variation in time in using the two hair tools. Now the thing is that whenever I use the Revlon blow dryer, my hair becomes wavy very soon and then I need to get it done again. But with the hair straightening comb from Clickon, my hair stays manageable for a longer time. So both these tools have their own pros and cons. So if I'm just at home and don't have any occasion to attend, I use the Revlon hair dryer. I also use it on a daily basis while going to work. But if I have any event or occasion, then I always use the Clikon hair straightening comb because it keeps my hair intact for a longer time. Also, I feel it's easier to use than the Revlon blow dryer. So yes friends, this is how I make my hair look manageable. I have tried the curly girl method before, but then it took a lot of time and then I just gave up. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, please do like this video and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care and stay safe.